Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. If you're having trouble with your Eufy Smart Lock E30 and need to reset it, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to reset your smart lock, so you can restore it to factory settings or resolve common issues. Let's dive right in. Section, when you should reset your Eufy Smart Lock E30. First off, let's quickly talk about why you might need to reset your Eufy Smart Lock E30. Resetting the lock can help if you've forgotten your access codes, you're experiencing software glitches or connectivity issues, you're giving the lock to a new user and want to erase all existing data. Remember, performing a reset will erase all custom settings, including your fingerprint data and saved access codes, so only do this if it's necessary. Section 2. What you'll need. Before starting the reset process, here's what you need. Your Eufy Smart Lock E30 installed and powered. A small tool like a paperclip to press the reset button. Alright, now that you're ready, let's get into the reset steps. Section 3. Resetting the Eufy Smart Lock E30. To reset your Eufy Smart Lock E30, follow these steps. Open the battery cover. You'll need to access the reset button, which is located inside the battery compartment. Locate the reset button. It's usually a small recessed button that you can press with a paperclip or similar tool. Press and hold the reset button. Using your paperclip, press and hold the reset button for about seconds. You should hear a beep or see the lock indicator light flash. This confirms the reset has been initiated. Release the button. Once you hear the beep or see the light flash, release the reset button. Your Eufy Smart Lock E30 will now be reset to factory settings. Note, the lock may take a moment to reboot, and all your settings will be cleared. Section 4. Reconfiguring your lock. Now that your lock is reset, you'll need to set it up again. Here's a brief overview of how to do that. Open the Eufy Security app and follow the on-screen instructions to reconfigure your lock. You'll need to set up your access codes, register fingerprints, and connect the lock to your Wi-Fi network if needed. For a more detailed guide on setting up your Eufy Smart Lock E30, check out our setup tutorial linked in the description below. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Eufy Smart Lock E30. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you still have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay secure.